there, welcome to Edify Beauty. I'm Michelle Farley, the CEO and founder. And if you're a professional hairstylist that's watching this today, I believe that you're here for a reason. We at Edify Beauty are working on ways to help support our stylist community in this time of need. And we have created an interactive forum for you guys to engage with each other and with your clients during this time. And we also wanted to take the time to remind you about our amazing referral program and how it can help you generate some income and how it can help your clients during this time of quarantine. We have an amazing product called HAU Hair Packs and an amazing referral program for professional stylists. And we're sharing this with you right now because I know that a lot of stylists are having a very difficult time right now. They either are not able to work or they are able to work, but they have very few appointments because most people are staying home right now, which is understandable, but it has caused a lot of panic. I've talked to a lot of stylists. Most of the people in this industry live paycheck to paycheck, and if you're one of them, I totally feel for you right now. I totally understand the stress that's happening. Hopefully, you're seeing the same positive things in the community that I have been seeing, where people have been, reaching out and trying to see how they can help. There's been deductions in rent. I think small business loans and things are coming out. But if you were a stylist, another way that you can help generate some income in this time right now is by promoting a wonderful hair product that is going to help your clients not only have the healthiest hair that they can, but it's also going to help them get through this quarantine time and come out of it with the healthiest hair that they possibly can. So HAU hair products help promote a healthy scalp, help promote healthy scalp balance. It repairs the ends, it gives extreme moisture, and my clients really love the fact that they go home and they feel like it's like they got their hair blown out. So it's got nice lift and body from the roots. It's got nice lightweight body all over. It feels soft. I mean, I don't know about you, but my clients all the time are like, my hair just feels so good when I leave the salon. And that's exactly what HAU brings to them at home. So this is a great way for them to be doing at-home treatments, especially while they've got time and they're sitting around. And it's a way for you to make some money. So a lot of stylists don't know how our referral program was built. So if you don't understand how it was built, when you first look at it, it looks kind of like an MLM. But that is absolutely not at all how this got started. So I was asked to share a story of how I created our referral program. So we give a 10% commission back to the people who are referring and sharing our products. We originally started this because I, as a stylist, was noticing that my clients were seeing the visual change and the visual benefit that was coming from their hair. And not only were they noticing, but then their mothers and their sisters and their neighbors and all of these other people were noticing that their hair was changing and that it was looking better. And they wanted to know, what are you doing and how can I get some? And so I was getting inundated with orders through my clients. And so I was like, how can we spread this more with a grassroots program? And so I wanted to incentivize people to do more sharing. And so I was thinking about both the hairstylists and what they face and what it is that they want in their business, and also looking at some of the new trends and things that we've been seeing, like Olaplex. Olaplex was the first product that my clients brought to me, and they said, hey, I read about this amazing repair treatment. How can I get this? Or what do you think about this? And I didn't know anything about it. And, the first person said it, and I was like, yeah, whatever, it's probably just a trend. And then a couple more people said it. And then after a while, I was going, wait, what is this? I need to go find out about it. And so I went and did research on it. So we have a program where you can go sign up for your own coupon code. We call it a promo code, and it works just like a coupon code you would use on any other e-retailer. So the coupon works for free shipping, and anybody that you give your code out to can purchase our products online, use your code for free shipping, you get a 10% commission, and they get their product with free shipping. So when you sign up for your code, it will link you to whoever signed you up. So if somebody, a friend of yours or whatever referred you to our products, when you're going to sign up for your code, you would put them in so that they can earn as well. And this is really cool because it allows stylists to both recommend the products to consumers, but also recommend the products to other professionals and earn off of what the other professionals are selling, which kind of makes us a little bit unique. I did it as a 10-10-10 referral program, so that 10% goes back to the person who's referring. If you're a professional, that's what we're normally making if we're working in the salon. You know, you're getting a 10% commission anytime that you're selling retail through the salon owner. So we wanted to do the same thing. So if you can stock your products, you can buy them wholesale, you can sign up for a salon account and you can buy them wholesale upfront in bulk. Or you can just simply refer it out to your clients because you believe in it, and you can make 10% commission. Easy and simple. And then the really cool thing about the fact that it's tiered is now you can also share it with another professional, and you're not going to just make off of what that professional is buying herself in the salon, but you're also going to make off of what she's recommending to her clients. And so that's where the tiered system came into play, was because we wanted to reward you on like your actual effort and what you were doing, not just the next person in, if that makes sense. So right now in these times when what we're seeing is a lot of the professionals are obviously not ordering products because we're not working right now. But our retail is doing really great because a lot of our customers they're not worried, and they're still purchasing products, and they're wanting to find things that they can do at home right now, and they're wanting to find ways to fix their hair at home right now, and they're wanting to ways to feel pretty at home right now. And so this is an opportunity for you to share something great that's going to help the consumer and help them with their problems. And you can also share it with all of your fellow professionals for them to also network out to their end consumers, and you can now pool your customer bases, so you're not just earning off of the few people in your network that can afford the products right now. You're pooling that with other professionals who also have customers who are looking for solutions to their problems and can purchase products right now. So again, in this time, I just really encourage you to get to know our products, ask questions, ask anything that you want to know about the products to help give you the confidence in what this does, and then please share it. And again, it's a way for end consumers to feel good about themselves in this time that they're being quarantined. It's a way for us to be communicating and spread hope to other professionals that are here also going through the same things that we're going through, and to make a little bit of money to help cushion the blow. So please check that out. If you have any questions, please post them down below. Check out our forum. Right now we've got a lot of free time. If you're somebody who likes to educate your customers on, fun tips and tricks, ways to style their hair at home, how to care for their hair at home, we're connecting people who are wanting solutions to their hair problems right now to the professionals that can provide them. This is a great way for you to spread some positivity and some positive and some insightful information in a time where there's a lot of fluff and fear that's going on. So let's do some things that are positive, let's do some things that are constructive, and I hope that you guys are having a beautiful day.